Themes are similar to other software packages and themes found in Microsoft Windows. Themes are a collection of graphical settings, such as colors, and all settings available in the SolidCAM simulator. This allows us to match the general functionality of the existing simulation modes without any limitation or missing features. Additionally, users can create or copy existing themes to set up the simulation to their individual needs. Let's review the SolidCAM themes. The default theme, which is selected, is solid material removal while showing the stock, target, and fixture with wireframe toolpath along with enhanced rendering for prettier graphics. The Solid Verify theme is matching colors and behavior of Solid Verify simulation. Most notable is wireframe toolpath is turned off. "3D theme is matching the behavior of 3D simulation. Most notable is wireframe toolpath and target are the only visible objects. Heavy part theme is similar to the default theme, but certain options are disabled to better handle complex and heavy parts generally found in HSM or 5-axis toolpath. Let's switch to our turning part so we can see the turning theme. Turning theme is only supported in the flyout window outside of the SOLIDWORKS graphics area. Turning theme is matching the colors and behavior of our 2D turning, yet we are still in the same 3D environment.